Good morning, everyone. My name is Alessia. Today, I want to share the advantages of bringing handphone to school. Nowadays, handphone usage is popular among the students. Every student wants his or her own handphone. It is such a wonderful tool for education, work, information, and play that sometimes we wonder how we survived before this. It is really a good idea to allow students to bring in phone to school. In various stories, there to share with contract ideas. Therefore, I would like to take this opportunity to let the audience know the advantages of allowing students bringing phone to school. Ladies and gentlemen, let me start my speech by stating the advantages of students bringing phone to school. That is to make communication easier, especially between parents and their children. It will allow them to communicate with each other at any time. In the past, parents often never knew where their children were until they come home. With handphone, parents can check their children's errands, or relay important information if necessary anytime they come. Like for example, the children can tell their parents what are the activities and thus make the parents less worried about their children's whereabouts. Secondly, handphone can be available for the emergency situation. For instance, if a student is severely injured or dead in a situation, the phone can allow students to contact other or anyone else. Thirdly, with the technology available, it can help the students to learn more. More easy access internet, students can share information on internet easily, but the cloud also the way around. Students use the internet fund to research study. Ladies and gentlemen, I have liked the advantages of allowing students to bring in handphone to school. Well then, I arrived in my speech and thus I would like to thank you for lending your ears. Therefore, in my speech, thank you very much and goodbye. Thank you.